Specialized tips for mastering affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money from the comforts of your own home. However, if you want to start, you might have questions and don't know where to begin. This video is full of simple tips and tricks that will not only answer your questions, but guide you to success through affiliate marketing. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. With iTunes' popularity and a large percentage of internet users listening to audio files for information, recording a podcast as an affiliate marketer is a solid way to increase your sales numbers. Hearing you speak will build more trust than simply watching your words, so do not take this tip lightly. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad-rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. Make sure that the affiliate program that you are signing on with has a great reputation. If you find a company that does not have a good reputation, you may find yourself working for nothing. You may work for hours to get things going well on your end, only to not be paid in the end. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you put in your valuable time and effort to make your site attractive to your readers. If your reader notices that you are getting lazy and skimping on quality, they will most likely not come back. Only through quality content will you truly meet success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.